Yesterday I made a video on how you can actually remove earrings using Photoshop. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing using your smartphone. The application we're going to use is Lightroom, and we have it here. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and I've already imported this model before, and you can just see it here. Go to my photos. All you just need to do is to import the photo. Then we are working with this one. Okay, maybe say you have earrings, small one, big ones, depends. I'm going to show you how you can use the healing brush tool to actually remove earrings. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is to come to the healing brush tool. We have it here, and just right here, all we need to do now is to zoom in. By come here, click somewhere here, and you have the liberty to actually zoom in. Zoom till you can actually see the earrings, and you have to click here to come back so that your tools can come back. Okay, what healing brush tool does is, if you touch the part that you want to refill the part, okay, you're going to touch somewhere here and it's going to give you two arrows. Okay, this one is actually what you want it to pick from, and you want to transfer that part of that skin to this other part. So you want to transfer this skin to this part. Okay, so it's to get somewhere as close to the skin of that part so that it doesn't look different. Okay, all we need to do now is to push this one to cover the earring, and it's going to replace this skin here with this one here. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, you just have to be careful and move it right here. Okay, sometimes these things can be difficult to move because your hand is actually on what you are trying to move it on, so it can be very difficult. Okay, but you just have to be patient and move it. Okay, I think we are pretty cool here. Okay, if you touch somewhere apart from where you've touched before, it's going to replace it with somewhere else. Okay, with something else. Okay, let's undo. If I should touch somewhere on my screen right now apart from that place that we've done, it's going to automatically bring those two arrows. So it's for you to carefully move it till it's on the part. Okay, I think we are cool here. Okay, and let's just click off. Okay, let's click off. Clicking off can be difficult because sometimes you just end up. Let's undo that. Let's undo. Okay, I want to zoom in, undo. So touch here to actually zoom. Okay, always use your two fingers so that you can zoom properly. Okay, I can see that this part is still remaining, so let's add the third one and just place it somewhere here. I think we are good. Okay, now we see it. We've actually just covered the earring with this part of the skin. Okay, so that's how it actually works. Let me just show you this before and this after. This before and this after. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 30 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. 30, I mean, like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.